Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to edit snippets. Log into the backend. Go to Settings and Snippets. Now click on Base NGB. Now search the services in search bar. Now go to the snippet and click on Edit. Now edit the snippet name. Go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.